Hi everyone, welcome to your follow along video for the 5-minute banana split recipe. I'll be showing modifications with blocks in the corner here, starting with a low lunge. Step your foot out and sink your hips low towards the ground. Just breathe. If you like the breathing technique of the physiological side, take 2 inhales through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. Just relax here into the stretch. You got this. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Quad stretch. If you're using blocks, you can place one under your knee. Think about drawing your heel in towards your shoulders. It's okay if your foot doesn't move at all. That's just the action we want to take. Good. You can also use a strap here if you want to wrap it around your ankle to get a little bit more leverage. You're almost there, I promise. Awesome. Okay, moving on to a hamstring stretch. Extend your front leg long and think about reaching over your foot. Draw one straight line from your tailbone to the top of your head. All right, good. If you're using blocks, it might be best to flip them vertical like I have here. Next, we're going into pigeon stretch. Bend your front knee and sink your hips down towards the mat. Use your blocks here if you can't reach the mat just yet. Don't forget to breathe. You got this. Deep inhales through your nose and long exhales through your mouth. Nice. What beautiful pigeons. All right, moving on, split holds. Just sink your hips as far as you can into your split. You can also hold on to a chair here if that's easier, or even a wall. Sometimes I like to do this with my sofa. Anything goes here, just breathe and relax. You're almost there. Okay, only got 3 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Look at that. You already got the first side done. Swing your leg around and let's do the other side. Starting with low lunge on the left side. Try to get a 90-degree bend in your front knee. You want that knee right in line over your ankle. Sinking lower with each exhale here. Nice. Good job, everyone. All right. 3, 2, 1. Okay, quad stretch. Again, you don't have to grab your foot all the way, but just think about bringing that heel in towards your glute. I also found it was easier to turn my blocks vertical in quad stretch on this side, so feel free to do that. Yay! Awesome. Okay, hamstring stretch. Now, as you're going through these, you might notice that one side feels easier than the other. That's totally normal. Everyone favors one side. I would just recommend spending a little more time in the side that feels more uncomfortable so that you balance your body out. Good. Think about lengthening. Awesome. All right, moving on to pigeon. Pigeon is such a weird name for this, but I love it. So, sinking your hips down towards your mat. Try to square them off. What I mean by that is making sure both hips are facing the same direction. You don't want one hip facing the front of your mat and one hip facing the side. Good. Last 3, 2, 1. Nice. All right, split holds here. You got this. Just breathe. Inhale through your nose. And exhale, sigh it out. Awesome. And don't forget to take a progress pic. Please send them my way. I'll put my email in the description. Almost there. You can do it. Yay! You did it. Good job. Pat yourself on the back, and now you can take a nap. Stay stretchy, and good night.